Attending a workshop, Empowering Educator. It's an international boot camp regarding the concepts of AI, Python, and robotics. Now, today is the second day. Now, in this one, we are preparing a game. It's a maze beetle game. And in this, the beetle has to move in the maze. And if it touches the maze, then you will come back to the same position where you have started the beetle, and if it reaches the apple, then you won the game. So let us start with this game in the Pictoblox. Now in the Pictoblox you should have the latest version of the Pictoblox. If you don't have, you have to download it first, and when you open the Pictoblox, this is the first screen you will get, and the Toby is by default on the screen. Now let us start with the maze game. Now in this one I want to remove this Toby, so I just click on this bin icon, and let us say I'll take the background of the maze. Let us say if it is there. Yes. Now in the maze background you will see the apple is at the top. Now I want to take a sprite. Let us take a beetle, and I better search it here, so it will come on the screen. So I'll take this beetle. Now the direction of beetle is something like this. I want to change this direction to 0. So I'll just change it to 0. Okay. Now as the size of the beetle is very large, let us say I want to change from 100 to 65. So let us start making this game. Okay, so I'm doing the programming with the beetle sprite. Now I want that it should continue forever. So I'll start with the while loop. While true. So if the loop is true, it will continue. Now, all of you know that if you have the while loop, you must have the break within the loop so that at some time it will come out of the loop. Now, I'll move this beetle by using the arrow key. So I'll make the program if sprite dot is key pressed is up arrow. If it is up arrow, what I have to do? I have to change the direction. So sometimes we are confused with the direction. So we can take the direction from here. Click on the direction. You can see up arrow means that the direction is 0. And the right arrow means that the direction is 90. Down arrow means the direction is 180. And the left arrow means that the direction is minus 90. So I use the direction here. So let us keep this to 0 first, and I move the direction using the arrow key. So if it is up arrow, the sprite direction is so I'll say that the sprite dot set direction within the bracket 0. And I move this one by 5 steps or 5 points. So the sprite move by 5 points. So sprite dot move 5. I can just enlarge it so that you can see. Yes. So similarly, I have to make the program for the left arrow, right, and the down arrow. So I'll just copy paste this code. So all of you know Control C. Control V. I'll do it how many times? I'll do it 2 times more. And I just make the changes in the program. So if the key press is down arrow, you know that what would be the direction? Yes, it is 180. And if I do it for the left arrow, it is minus 90. Okay. With the left arrow key, you have changed this position to minus 90. Now for the right arrow, all of you know it should be 90 here. Now I have to make a program that if the petal touches the black color, that is the RGB value is 000. R means red, green and blue. So the value, if it is 000, it means it's a black color. If it touches the black color, then it should come back to the original position, right? So we have to make a program. I have already written the program for this one. So if sprite is touching color is 000, I'm the direction of the sprite is 0, right? And the sprite should go to the original position X and Y. In my computer, it is minus 137 and minus 141. And if it touches the red color, where the value of R is 255, G is 0, and B is 0, we simply say that you won this game. You have done a good job. And I want that this thing to appear for 10 seconds on the screen, and I break the program. Let us run this program and see whether it works or not. So I'll make this program running. Okay, I'll run this one and I move the beetle using the arrow key. So I'm moving with the arrow key. I have to be very careful because the program stops if it touches the black color. So it touches, it will come back to the uh, original position. So let us try this program again. I can make the size of the beetle as smaller so that I can easily go through the maze, but it is not challenging. So let us be careful while working with this. So I'm not able to do it. Now you try whether you can do it or not, whether you can pass through the end point and reaches the apple. I like this application. I hope you too also like it. Thank you so much and namaskar.